Mistake number 1, wearing overly baggy clothes. They can make you look frumpy and older than you are. Instead, opt for clothes that fit you well and skim your body. Mistake number 2, not dressing for your body type. Wearing clothes that don't flatter your figure can add years to your appearance. Find styles that work for your body type and stick to them. Mistake number 3, ignoring proportion. Wearing oversized or too small clothes can throw off your proportions and make you look older. Balance your silhouette with proportional pieces. Mistake number 4, wearing outdated trends. If you're still rocking the neon pink leg warmers from the 80s, it's time to update your wardrobe. Stick to timeless pieces or current trends. Mistake number 5, not paying attention to fit. Clothes that are too tight or too loose can make you look older. Make sure your clothes fit you well and aren't too revealing. Mistake number 6, wearing too many patterns. Patterns can be overwhelming and add visual age. Mix patterns with solids for a more youthful look. Mistake number 7, not accessorizing. Accessories can make or break an outfit. Add a statement piece or two to update your look.